Innovation is about opportunities. It raises new problems, but it also means new solutions. Access to innovation is key to our company. The cosmetics industry is very competitive. We need to ensure that all our coworkers have access to the best cutting-edge technologies. Plug and Play was introduced to us by a fellow L'Oréal executive. We first had a startup pitch with them. Since our roadmaps were aligned, we decided to go ahead with the partnership. Our biggest challenge was to identify the proper startup that could enable the use case needed by our brands. Not all startups are fit for working with L'Oréal and vice versa. Another challenge was to identify the proper opportunities and new trends on the market, and we got a lot of support of Plug and Play on that.
In Paris, we met L'Oréal about 4 years ago, in 2018. We did what we call a trial deal flow with them on a topic that they had identified. And we had roughly 10-12 people join us in the office, met about 4 or 5 startups, and they actually launched a pilot and a commercial rollout with one of the startups, IOLab, that they met that day. And that's really where the conversation started.
The key improvement that we've seen in working with Plug and Play is to add flexibility and agility to our teams. We found solutions that are easy to plug and also enable us to scale internally.
Other good collaborations have been, for example, Booksy, which is a booking company to help manage the flow in stores, but also for hairdressers and other beauty salons, which is obviously a big market for L'Oréal.
The most exciting thing when working with a startup is obviously innovation. We find new solutions to all problems with them. The other key benefit is that startups have a flexible roadmap, and so we can tweak the product to meet exactly our brand's desires.
Innovation, digital, CDMO team has a very strong connection with the different business units that they're in touch with and the ones that they're working with across the business units as well as across geographies. And this enables us to really reach globally into the organization and work with people from all over the organization, which isn't always the case, where innovation teams might be a little bit siloed and a little bit separate from the rest of the organization. And in this case, it's something that is quite well structured in L'Oréal, and it obviously helps them as well to make the most out of these meetings and these collaborations with startups and scale-ups.
When I talk to other corporates, I recommend the international angle of the startup portfolio of Plug and Play. They always have a solution that can meet a market's need.